Hi everyone. Today I'm preparing smoked pork stir fry, and another one will be rice beans with dry fish curry. So let's start preparing it. The ingredients for pork fries are smoked pork. I have thinly sliced them, 1 tomato, onion, green chili, a piece of ginger, and roughly chopped garlic. Heat up a wok. Thau khazik hapsi. Let it heat up. Shaba matungda rice pork habrini. Fry in medium flame. Now I put the ginger and garlic, crushed ginger and garlic. Ini fry tawun tungda ginger and garlic habrini. Chili, salt to taste. I'll put some chili powder as well. Chili powder for color with the makhapki. Now I'll put the tomatoes. I'll put little bit of water, not much. Now we'll put the onion. I'll cook this just for 1 minute, maximum 1 minute. Check the seasoning. Up to you. You can make with gravy or without gravy. This is cooked. If you want gravy, you can put. I'm going to prepare chak Hawaii curry. The ingredients are rice beans, potato, tomato, kaffir lime. This is called Ukabi in Manipuri. I don't know in English. Some green chilies, a piece of ginger and garlic. That's all. Let's peel the beans first. Ngisi chak Hawaii ga Ukabi ga aloo thonge. Mahaw yam lay Ukabi nga se. Aisu yam paami. Ukabi duga muka nga singsi yam mahaw lay nga de. Thau ngo busu yai. Adu ay di thau ngo roy. Cham thonge. I've already put water in a pot. Slightly roast the fish. Check out the bones. By roasting the fish, you get a roasted flavor. Oh, the eggs. Don't throw the eggs, you can use them. If you want, you can use them. Otherwise, throw it away. Now let's put the beans, chilies, potatoes, kaffir lime, hairbok, ginger and garlic. Let's put the dry fish. Tomato and salt to taste. Cook this until done. The curry is ready to be served. Yum. How really? You can garnish it with coriander leaves. Now I'll fry some mixed vegetables. Whatever I got from garden, I'll fry them. This is pumpkin flower, beans. I have got lady's finger and brinjal as well. Adi loin mak inkon gini inkon dai apang pang budu hegriga fry tawzerge. I'll put mustard oil, 2 tablespoons. This is mustard oil, so you need to heat up nicely. Garlic, crushed garlic. I'll put all the vegetables. green chilies, a pinch of turmeric powder, and chili powder, salt to taste. Mix it nicely. I won't put masala and all. Cover and cook it. We'll mix the ravioli and accumulate. My vegetable fry is also done. You can garnish with coriander leaves. Time to enjoy. This is today's special stir-fried pork mixed veg. And this is rice beans with dry fish and potato. Asi cha khawai ga nga kang bani haurani. And this is my boiled vegetable, mustard green. Let's start enjoying it. Sa bhaurgi. Sa khawai ga nga kang sin haurgi. I'll start with the dry fish curry. Phazan haure. Mai tare phazan. This is so good. It's just a boiled curry, but the taste is so good. This dry fish, we call it Ukabi. Ukabi hapena. Ukabi hape yam haur. Smoked pork. The smell is amazing. This is so yum. Too good. Mix with. For stir fry, mustard oil goes very well. Kang hongau si akhoi acha thau yam cha ne. This is amazing. I am so blessed to have all of these. I just love all of the dishes. This is also very good. This is pure vegetarian mixed veg. Mai tareng si dilo in ma. Stir fry pork you can make without oil also, but today I have put oil. If you don't have rice beans, then you can use the cowpea beans as well. or fresh rasma bean. They are similar. I also love the stir-fried vegetable. Kasi the pong Hawaii yawe. Pong Hawaii kangaw siyam chane. Kasi chak Hawaii and sang se ekoi cha kang mga su thong ni ko. Cha kang mahabra nga kang mahab daw su cha kang su habra thong. Hawi da su. This boiled vegetable, this you can prepare with dry meat as well. In the stir fry, if you want, you can put capsicum as well. Like chili pork, you can prepare. Haure khazana. Chaman bay char chaning chaman bay tumning re. Oh. I don't want to waste any rice. Aikoi ukham da chak lem hande. Lem ready chai go ai mai pan. Do aikoi su gyan ta ba lai tab ne na lai da ba nimong de horak ni na chak kyamuk maroi bra hai aikoi su khangai go doi. Dum fajana waste taw de ko adu idum haina bu ko chak lem han ba puk thalu plate lai du dum hek te sa ba. Mai tare mai. Ai ging khon hangam wat na phangi. Adu di sie se nong chu man ba de yadre. Hauji khau chu re nong se. Ngasi gi di si wa de loisin jarege. Mathang du ne rasi. That's all for today. Thank you very much for watching. Please like, subscribe and share my videos and click the bell icon as well. Bye! Just wrap and throw it away. This is my natural plate.